are you doing tonight?
Good evening po. I'm so much grateful and thankful because I really appreciate the love and support of the people here in Cabanatuan City. Marami pong salamat sa inyong mainit na suporta sa aming lahat.
Very well, thank you, Karen. So, here we go. You're going to pick the number of your judge, and the judge will going to give you the question. They will going to read it twice before I let you leave the floor. Are you ready for that round? Yes, okay. Please pick the number of your judge. And you picked judge number 6.
Dapat siya. Mali yung pronoun eh. Ayaw ano eh. Salutation.
Good evening. This is my question. If you had to organize a charity event, what cause would you champion and how would you use your title to raise awareness for it?
What cost daw?
It's okay. Okay.
Thank you so much. So the question that was given to me is that if I had to organize a charity event, what cause would you champion and how will you use your title to raise awareness for it? Wow. Thank you so much for the very wonderful and interesting question. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, as far as I know, I am a member of Love Yourself PH since 2016. So if I am giving a chance to organize the charity event, that will be cause for the HIV awareness here in the Philippines. Why? Because I am advocating HIV here in our country. Dahil gusto ko pong maging boses sa mga taong natatakot ilabas o malaman ang kanilang mga resulta bilang isang HIV positive. Lagi po nating tatandaan dito sa ating mundo, ang HIV po ay hindi po nanggagaling sa part ng LGBT community. Dahil kahit ikaw po ay lalaki or babae, ay pwede po tayo magkaroon ng virus ng HIV dahil lahat po tayo ay meron sa kailangan ng ating katawan. Na po kaya gusto ko pong maging voice out para sa mga HIV community dito sa ating bansa na wag silang matatakot sa diskriminasyon na haharapin nila dahil hanggat may buhay, meron pong pag-asa. At ako po, ang boses nila na lagi niyong isipin na wag niyo pong pandidirian at lalayuan ang taong may HIV. Dahil tayo po ang unang-unang magmamahal at iintindi sa kanila at sabay-sabay natin pupuksain ang HIV. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Maraming salamat.
Very well, thank you so much, candidate number 1. Amy,